nǹkan tí Orijin fi yàtọ̀ sí gbogbo ọtí òun ni wípé ewé àti egbò ilẹ̀ Yorùbá òun náà fi ṣe Orijin.
Orijin la wà lálẹ́ yàgò fàájì ńlá ni.
Orijin mélòó lẹ ti mu tẹ́ ẹ fi ní okun àtagbára báyìí?
Plastic ẹni náà.
Lẹ ti mu báyìí?
Méjì.
A lot of fun ló wà ní pé kí èèyàn máa jáde àdùpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Orijin náà tó kó wa jáde.
Kí má parọ́ o. First Orijin ni mi tó ní máa mu Orijin bottle. Mo dẹ̀ máa mu plastic yẹn dáadáa.
Orijin mi pé roots wa.
Just to mention, this is not our first year of celebrating this festival. This is about our 5th year celebrating this festival, and this year we are the official alcohol sponsor of this festival. So back to your question, Orijin partnering with Osun Osogbo Festival is part of our commitment in promoting and preserving the culture in Nigeria. And also, the rich cultural heritage of this festival aligns with Orijin's DNA around authenticity and honoring our roots.
To celebrate the people of Osogbo. We are here to celebrate the deep roots that connects the people of Osogbo. We're here to celebrate their origin, which is the Osun. We are here to enjoy the evening with Orijin. Orijin, from a purpose standpoint, is all about spotlighting and celebrating our rich roots.
Anywhere we go, we want to leave our footprints. So part of the ways we are leaving our footprints, for instance, our visit to the King's Palace, we rewarded indigenes of this place with cash reward as part of our scholarship.
Where was I?
It's part of our scholarship program. So for us, it's not just coming here to celebrate the festival, it's also giving back to the community.
In many ways. And its root starts from, what does the brand stand for? What does Orijin stand for? Orijin stands for spotlighting and celebrating the transformative power of our roots. That's what it stands for. And those roots and that culture are in various expressions, which is like this festival. So we show up with rich brands, we show up with our brands in all the diverse cultures and celebrations we have across Nigeria. Osogbo is one.
Tiwantiwa ni Orijin. Àwọn ọtí tó kù ọtí
wọn ni kọ́ máa nìkan wọn.
Àwa la ní Orijin torí ewé àti egbò tó fi ń ṣe àwa la ní.